What's up, people? Today we will talk about three-way midfield studio monitors from legendary German manufacturer Neumann from Berlin. Model name is KH420. It's a huge studio monitors, very high quality. Let's talk about detail and properties of this model. Like manufacturers say, the KH420 is a three-way, three-amplified midfield studio monitors with thermally protected Class A/B amplifiers. This is 330 watts and 2 times 140 watts. This is achieved through several features. You can find the details you are interested in this website. I will tell you about the design and show each component. In my opinion, first of all, these are three bands, three ways, mathematically optimized active crossover, separate signal amplification for each speaker, a large caliber woofer on a textile suspension surrounding, a domed mid-range, which I love so much, a unique tweeter, a large resonator bass reflex, a body made of highly damped material with the necessary number of spacers, and of course the nimbus of the developer company. This is Neumann. Okay, let's look at the component of this masterpiece. Number one is the tweeter. In-house simulated tweeter with hollow fabric dome and robust metal grill. You can see features here. Second one, rotatable elliptical mathematical modeling dispersion waveguide. It has properties noted here. Next one, two-color dimple Neumann logo. It's needed for display separation status. In-house simulated neodymium magnet fabric dome mid-range driver. Perfect things. I'm so like this sound. By the way, the tweeter and mids are molded from LRIM. Their complex waveguide and casting made it possible to implement it with mathematical precision. This material is based off polyurethane. It is quite dense and has a high damping factor as well as relatively high stiffness and straight. This means that mechanical resonance in the front baffle is very highly damped and do not contribute the acoustical output. The rest of enclosure of KH420 monitors is a more simple rectangular shape, and so it's made of MDF. Next one, in-house modeling long-through composite sandwich cone bus driver. Next, large high-capacity flow-optimized bus reflex ports, 2 pieces, with fast bus transit response. 7 is computer mathematically modeling 3-way cabinet design with low resonance integral molding LRIM materials. It's very important for enclosure of loudspeaker. 8 is 4-position bass, low, mid, and treble acoustical controls. 9 is parametric equalizer. 10 wide range input gain and output level controls. 11 is display dimmer. 12 is XLR electronically balanced analog input with ground lift. Universal dual bass and mid and treble switched mode power supplies. It's very important things for any loudspeaker. Let's talk about parameters of this speaker. First of all, its frequency response with plus minus 6 dB. It's 25 Hz to 22 kHz. Please pay attention about this one. It's a huge flat, 1 and 2 dB only. each of these parameters is very important for some person, please find some interesting for you yourself. The output power mid-range amplifier is 140W with 10% distortion, and mid-range amplifier has 130. Mid-range has 75mm or 3 inches with magnetic shielding. I don't know why this cabinet weighs, okay, it's 30 kilograms. Crossover frequency you can see there is 570 Hz and 2 kHz. Crossover slope is 24 dB per octave or 4th order. It has infrasonic filter, it's about 10 Hz only and 18 dB per octave. Maximum power consumption is 800W. Enclosure size you can see there. And the external net volume is 93 liters. It's a huge system, but of course very high quality. In this video I will not demonstrate the sound of this model, because it is a high precision professional instrument. Interested people will be able to find an opportunity to hear KH 420 and test it. See you next review.